Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn some tactics and some techniques in Excel to filter out the information from a database. So here you can see that I am making it. I have making a chart which is mixed male and female, and from the age group of 20 to 30 38. And here you can see that there are different kind of profession here, teacher, engineer, architect, student, and etc. And they have different kinds of income level. So if we can differentiate and identify specifically, then it would be so much painful, or sometimes very difficult when you have a bunch of data, huge data. So the best way we can use the Excel in that, we are going to select the table all the way, and then here we can filter out the information. So here you can see that all the headlines, serial name, age, sex is uh, option name filter. So if we are going to see just male, so here you can see that uh, the male individual. And if I can, uh, if I would like to know who uh, mm, among them. So here Farabi is cook, and his income level is 50,000. So identify if I can identify them with with their income or age, I can just select which one is above 30. So 35 and 36. Yes. So Nilo and Onik is above 30. So here you can use the uh, filter. So here is another table which we can use to make the pivot table. So to make the pivot table, you can put your cursor uh, uh, anywhere in the table. Then we are going to the insert and then pivot table. We are going to make a new worksheet. So new worksheet, and then OK. Yes, you can see that here is the new worksheet, which is going to be our pivot table. So here you can see that you can dress up your pivot table with different kinds of variables and attributes. Like I can differentiate them based of the sex. So row is going to be sex. Here you can see that male and female, and then I'm going to differentiate themselves as per as their profession. So you can choose that the females are waitress, nurse, architect, counselor, and the male are doctor, engineer, student, teacher, and etc. So in values, I can use the income. So I can count their income all the way. So the female, all the four females are is the sum of their income, and the male are earning this way. So the grand total is this. So there are many views of pivot table which can ease our life easier, which can ease our task way better than previous. So this is pivot table. We just have studied, and this is filter, which which we just learned. So that's it. If you need anything or need further information, please reach out to me. I will definitely help.